Good morning to all. Um, Last video I was uploaded for class 11 mathematics syllabus, and topic wise I discuss accordingly, and some videos after that will continue. I have to continue, and if it is helpful for you, then subscribe and like my videos. And here it is, first topic for class 11 set. Syllabus are there, set, and there for class 11. So first chapter is set, and syllabus are given here. Set and their representation: empty set, finite and infinite sets, equal sets, subsets, subset of a set of real numbers, especially intervals, power set, universal set, also Venn diagrams, union and intersection of sets, and difference of sets, complement of a set, and properties of complement of set. Okay, these are the properties of set, and after that all chapters started. First syllabus I have to discuss syllabus, and then chapter wise I'll discuss. Then first of all you have to know what is set or definition of set. Set क्या है? तो set is a well-defined collection of objects. A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Okay. Then the word is well-defined. What is meant by well-defined? A given collection of objects. A given collection of objects is said to be well-defined if we can definitely say whether a particular object belongs to the collection or not. पर्टिकुलर कलेक्शन में जो है उसमें से किसी एक पॉइंट लेंगे, वो अगर किसी एक पॉइंट उसमें अगर होगा तो वो हो जाएगा वेल डिफाइंड अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन. ओके. एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन अ सेट आर कॉल्ड एलिमेंट्स. तो जो सेट्स का जो एलिमेंट्स है और जो इस सेट में है उसको एलिमेंट्स बोल सकते हैं, मेंबर्स बोल सकते हैं, पॉइंट्स बोल सकते हैं. द ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन सेट आर कॉल्ड एलिमेंट्स, मेंबर्स और पॉइंट्स. जैसे एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, कलेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. क्या है नेचुरल नंबर्स? 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. So this is a set, and we represent set in second bracket or brace. Okay. And how can I represent set? Here it is two method. Number one, roster method or tabular form, or property method or set builder form. तो first जो form है roster form और tabular form. What is roster form? In this form we list all the members of the set with the brace or second bracket in the form. Here it is, and separate them by commas, and separate by them by commas. जैसे एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं, all multiple up to a equal to 2 4 6 dot 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 multiple to. This will continue, and we have continued these elements of the set by 2 4 6 and separate by comma and use second bracket or brace. Okay. Similarly, vowels b, a, e, I, o, u. Now second form, set builder form. In this form we list the property of or properties of set satisfying by the element such that a equal to लेते हैं 1 2 3 8 तक. Okay, set element है 8 तक. Then we can write the set. This form is called roster form, first form, and second form is a equal to x such that, ये जो symbol है such that x belongs to, this symbol is called belongs to n for natural number. This is natural number set. I have list some short form or notations after ending the video. Before ending the video I have discussed about that. And x less than equal to 8. x natural number है and x 8 से छोटा है, तो क्या हो सकता है? 1 to 8 छोटा and equal. Okay. तो this is set and this is representation of set. Now some terms related to sets. क्या क्या है? empty set, singleton set, finite infinite set, equal sets, and equivalent set. So first, some terms related to set. Empty set. What is empty set? A set containing no element. A set containing no element is called empty set. Okay, a set containing no element is called empty set, or void set, or null set, or is denoted by phi. This is called phi. And a set has at least one point. If a set is opposite of no element, have a set have at least one point. If a set has at least one point, then we call it a non-empty set. Okay, A equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and 2 less than x less than 3. Here it is, we know natural number starts or begins from 1 and continue to 1, 2, 3, and between 2 and 3 there is no natural number. Between 2 and 3 there is no natural number. So the set is void or empty, and we denoted it as phi. Next, singleton set. What is singleton set? A set containing exactly one element is called a singleton set. Exactly one element. For example, A equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and 2 less than x less than 4, that is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the natural numbers from 1. So we have only 3 between 2 and 4. So the element is 3 on this set, and this is a singleton set because this contains only a single element, that is 3. Next, finite and infinite set. A set is said to be finite if it contains finite elements, or the counting of elements of the set surely comes to end. Very important. If the number of elements is finite, और हम लोग जब काउंट करेंगे वो अगर खत्म हो जाएगा तो हम बोलेंगे कि ये फाइनाइट है, और नहीं तो इनफाइनाइट है. सो और द काउंटिंग ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट श्योरली कम्स टू एंड. ए नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 10 क्या हो सकता है? 1, 2, 3 डॉट 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 9. तो दिस इज एंड अप टू 9 तक खत्म है. सो इट इज फाइनाइट सेट. एंड इफ ए सेट कंटेन्स इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट्स और काउंटिंग डज नॉट एंड, इन जनरल बोल रहा है काउंटिंग डज नॉट एंड, कंटिन्यू होता रहेगा और इनफाइनाइट तक जाएगा, तो हो जाएगा वो इनफाइनाइट सेट. दैट इज एग्जांपल ए इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड एक एलिमेंट क्या है 1, 2, 3 डॉट 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 विच कंटिन्यूस is called infinite sets. Now equal sets. Two non-empty sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and we can write A equal to B. Okay, if we can write A equal to B, कब? If they have exactly same elements. Okay, और एक डेफिनेशन है, ये सबसेट होने के बाद बताएंगे, फिर हम यहाँ पे लिख दिए हैं if every element of A is also element of B. And conversely, symbolically, A equal to B if B subset of A and A subset of B, or that is any element belongs to B, X belongs to B imply करेगा X belongs to A, and conversely any element belongs to A imply करेगा any though the element belongs to B. So X belongs to B implies X belongs to A, and Y belongs to A implies Y belongs to B. And A equal to set of letters, ऐसे एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. A equal to set of letters of example. एग्जाम्पल में कितना लेटर्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. एंड B set of letters of exactly. exactly में कितना लेटर्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have equal number of elements. So they are equal sets. Here although A have 7 elements and B have elements, but A not equal to B, because EX, A, L are same, but other though 3 elements are not same, so A not equal to B. Let us take P equal to A is 4, 3, 7, 2, 2, 7, 4, 3. So P equal to Q. Because number of elements are same of P and Q. Any element of P is element of Q. Any element of Q is element of P. But here for A, X is element of A and X is element of B also. But C is element of B, but C is not element of A. So A not equal to B, and here P equal to Q. And next, equivalent set. two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if number of A equal to number of B, number of elements of A equal to number of elements of B. Equal sets are equivalent, but converse is not true. A equal to 1 3 5, B equal to 2 4 6. A not equal to B, A set not equal to B set, but number of A equal to number of B. ओके, तो नंबर ऑफ ए कितना है 3, नंबर ऑफ बी कितना है 3, सो नंबर ऑफ ए इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ बी. ओके, बट ए एंड बी आर नॉट इक्वल, सो ए एंड बी आर इक्विवेलेंट सेट बट नॉट इक्वल सेट. ओके, टुडे टॉपिक बस आज इतना ही. नेक्स्ट दिन सबसेट एंड उसके ऊपर आगे होगा. एंड नाउ आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट सम शॉर्ट नोटेशंस. This is called belongs to, this is not belongs to, this is B form और इसको कहते हैं or, and this is and, this is for all, ऐसे for all x, for all y, this is such that, and this is called also such that, this is imply, you all know that, this is subset, this is proper subset, this is not subset, this is superset, this is a difference. Okay, this is minus symbol, but this is difference. When we cannot know A is greater or B is greater, then we use difference. और distance के लिए ऐसे difference use होता है. A complement और A complement, this is complement form और notation form. And next union, union form है ये U, intersection form ये है phi null set, ये U universal set. यहाँ पे जो U है इसको ऐसे होता है, यहाँ पे U लिखा जाता है और ये ओनली, कोई ये नहीं, लाइन नहीं है. Z ऐसे फॉर्म में, Z सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स, ये N सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, ये Q सेट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, एंड लास्ट में R है सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. तो दिस इज शॉर्ट नोटेशंस. ओके, so this is the beginning class. I hope it will be helpful. It will helpful for you all. Okay, if yes, then like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.